Rooney and I went in together to get Xander's baby shower present. And while it's heavy, we thought it was going to be a little too awkward to try to wrap this box and carry it to the baby shower, get it in the back of my mom's little SUV and all that good stuff. And after talking with Dallas and Heather, we decided it might be better just to go ahead and assemble it here and then take the separate components to the baby shower. So I thought, hey, I'll just do an unboxing and assembly. Show off the features, right? Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you know of any features of this that you like or that you don't like, or if you have another setup that you like better, let us know in the comments down below so that we can all become enlightened grandparents and parents and guardians and caretakers of children. Let's get this thing going, shall we? It's heavier on this side than it is on the other side. Baby stuff. So, gosh, it's been a long time since I've handled baby stuff. This looks like the car seat base. How cool is that? Oh, precious cargo goes in these things. I must say, if you're carrying a child or an infant, please make sure that you follow the regulations for car seats, because they are precious cargo. And always check to make sure that they're not left in the car. Nice. Packing. Okay, how do I get this out? It also has this 3-in-1 stroller in there. Man, I hate to dump it upside down. Guess I'm going to have to. This is what's so heavy. Okay, we'll open this. Oh, so heavy. Little wheels. I'm struggling. I am the world's worst at getting things out of boxes. If you don't believe me, go watch my other videos and see the comments that people make. We have success. Yeah, this will have to be assembled. I'm glad I opened it up. All right, I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to read the directions and put this thing together, so be right back. The stroller seems to have, I guess, a canopy, a front wheel, 2 rear wheels. The instructions are in a little baggie attached to the back side of the stroller. The product registration is important because if they have to do a recall or a safety alert, they need the information. As I say, please complete that. The instruction booklet, I was very pleased to see that it's simple and straightforward. Of course, it has the safety features first, as most instructions do. Very nice graphics, showing you the details of everything. And I checked, I do have this part. I have both of the rear wheels, I have the canopy and the front wheel. And I couldn't find those, but I'll show you where I did find those. The instructions are pretty well detailed. It took me a little while to figure out some of these pieces because they're not showing you the complete piece. They're showing a piece of, but I found it really quickly. The only weird thing is they show you in assembly how to put the front wheel on and then how to remove it, which they could have put the removing part elsewhere and probably got all of the assembly stuff on page and a half or something like that. Shows how to put the canopy on, and then I'm going to stop at the operation because I don't have a child to put in here. That's going to be Heather and Dallas's responsibility for first. So maybe I'll get them to do a video with Precious Xander, and we'll do that. So grandmother's or Coma's responsibility is going to end with the assembly and the canopy. Also, the product has a couple of these desiccant packs in it, and you want to make sure you get those out of the way. Don't leave those in there because they're not child safe. So it'll pop out when I open this up. And down, and I found the other two little components down in here, which are going to be easier to get out once I open everything up. I just wanted to show you where they were so that if you get one of these, you don't panic and think that part's missing. So following the instructions, I'm going to press release on the chassis lock and open the frame. That is located here. It opens up. There's those extra pieces. And I need to cut this cardboard piece off. Then extend the handles until they lock. And I heard it click. And this desiccant fell out, so I'm actually going to use that for something else. So we have the main stroller put together. I'm going to take all of these out of their packaging. Front wheel. Rear wheel. And these are the two pieces that are there. And the canopy. Whoa. let's see if putting these wheels in are as easy as it seems in the book. Front wheel, slide the front wheel assembly onto the mounting post to the front of the stroller. So it's a big click. Yes, and that was easy. These appear to be identical. Rear wheel, slide the rear wheel axle into the rear wheel mounting bracket until it locks into place. Pull on the wheel to make sure it's secure. That one is. That one is also. Well, how cute is that? Man, that's so easy to roll around. Modern technology for these babies. Let's get this canopy on. Says to slide the canopy stay brackets into the stroller frame mounts until they lock into place. I'm assuming that is here. Oh, he's wanting to stick with a Velcro. One side. This is so easy to spin around. And then it just locks into that. Then the next part is to snap the support straps into the frame just below the stroller handle and secure them using the hook and the loop fasteners on the inside of the canopy. To move this foam. This part was a little unclear. I'm assuming that I opened the canopy up and I'm assuming this little snap here snaps onto that. And then you have Velcro here, but there's a Velcro pad that could receive it there. There's some Velcro underneath here. So I'm not really sure what this attaches to. I think I'll let Heather and Dallas figure that part out. Grandmother just wants to get it presentable enough for the shower. Then Mom and Daddy can figure out safety and operation. But it has the Velcro lining here on the side of the canopy and a Velcro receiver there. So that will snap down. It looks like it's waterproof, which is good. Please make sure to discard all the plastic bags safely so that no babies, toddlers, children, or pets can suffer harm by suffocation or choking on these items. I think I finally figured out where these straps go. Pulling this flap up, I found a piece of Velcro receiver there. So right now, that's where they're going. There's a lot of Velcro on this stuff. So I'm thinking that these 3 tabs snap onto those receivers. Aw. And then this will snap on to, maybe not. Not sure what that's going to go on. Dallas and Heather have to figure out something, right? A lot of flaps, a lot of Velcro. Well, that's just cute if you actually want to see your child. It has a sunroof. The canopy folds back pretty easy. There are the safety straps in there with little pads for comfort. There should be something in here that you can hang for Xander's view, because that's not very exciting. I bet they make something for that too. It's nice and deep. I like that. Look how easy this thing rolls. Turns faster than my Mustang does. Very stylish. It also has a little storage compartment underneath. They just think of everything these days, don't they? Thank you for watching my review of, or the assembly of, the B-Agile 3 from Britax. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have experience with this or another type of carriage system for infants and babies. And until next time, safety for babies and children is key, so we need to be all about it. If you have time before you leave, watch one of these other videos and stay tuned to my channel for more of Xander Blade, because it's certainly coming. Bye.